Kenya Red Cross Society started the year 2009 in earnest, stronger and more determined after a pulsating experience the previous year that was drenched in post-election violence. True to its mission, the Society straddled every inch and corner of the nation, responding swiftly and efficiently to a myriad of disasters, providing the much-needed relief aid, healthcare, water and sanitation services, and, in the process, establishing state-of-the-art technologies to meet the ever-growing needs of the 21st century. The year 2009 was historic within the Red Cross and Red Crescent movement worldwide. This was the year the General Assembly of the International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies and the 2009 Council of Delegates came to Africa and Kenya in particular for the first time in the 150-year history of the movement.
It is significant that for the first time in its history, the General Assembly is being held in Africa. As a patron of the Kenya Red Cross, I wish to express my appreciation for the material, financial, and technical support extended to us in the times of crisis.
The climax of the event was a change of guard at the helm of the International Federation of the Red Cross. The president of the Japanese Red Cross, Tadateru Konoi, took the mantle as the new president, succeeding Juan Manuel del Toro, the president of the Spanish Red Cross. This was also the year when the Kenya Red Cross Society hosted the 5th annual general meeting of the new Partnership for African Red Cross and Red Crescent, bringing together various Secretary Generals of Africa's Red Cross and Red Crescent societies. The Kenya Red Cross staff and volunteers did not rest on their laurels. Disaster management once more underlined the Society's activities that unfolded early in the year. There were fiery tragedies across the country that left behind a trail of destruction and death. As Kenyans were still counting their losses after a severe drought, the skies opened up with torrential rains, as El Niño rains caused massive floods that claimed lives and displaced thousands of people. The Kenya Red Cross worked with like-minded partners to offer healthcare services throughout the year, through program and during disaster response activities. There was diversified dissemination of HIV/AIDS messages and home-based care that benefited those infected and affected by the virus. The Kenya Red Cross worked closely with other stakeholders to access health services to populations in hard-to-reach areas. Provision of clean and safe water was a Herculean task undertaken with a mark of excellence by the Kenya Red Cross in collaboration with various stakeholders. In Kenya, about 60% of the population cannot access clean and safe water. Technological innovation came in handy as the Society and partners enabled rural populations to access water using the mobile phone M-Pesa system and solar energy. The Field School program, a unique and participatory initiative in disaster management, offered participants real field operation opportunities. The National Society received invaluable support from the partner member societies to build capacity at the headquarters and regional level. The Kenya Red Cross continued to build capacity amongst the volunteers and youth across the country by providing the much-needed skills and opportunities for these vibrant groups. 2009 was indeed historic. The movement commemorated 150 years since the Battle of Solferino and the founding of the idea of volunteerism. Other events marked during the year were the 90th anniversary of the founding of the International Federation of the Red Cross and the 60th anniversary of the Geneva Conventions. All national societies actively participated in Your World, Your Move campaign. 5 youth represented the Kenya Red Cross during the Solferino celebrations held in Italy. By the sunset of 2009, the Kenya Red Cross Society had achieved a major milestone in its strategic plan, thanks to the governance, staff and volunteers whose invaluable support transformed the nation's humanitarian face. Millions of people in the world are proud of the positive contribution the Kenya Red Cross Society has made in their lives.